I hope it's working. Let me check. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, there's lots of people watching. Alright, let's make a new world and see what happens. Tofix added some stuff, which, I don't know. I haven't checked it out yet. Ah, it works. I'm glad to hear that. Oh no, I leaked my desktop. Don't you worry. And I'm also getting pinged on my own Discord. Oh, I thought it was clam diving. Anyway, there we are now. So... Wait, where's Pixel? I'm here, guys. Everything's working. Thanks for dropping by, everyone. Okay, I need to zoom in a little bit more. Because the chat window is a little bit tiny by default. There we go. It's a little unprepared. So I've made the windmill kind of work. You see if I place it, it increases our power by 10. This is, yeah, it's just gonna be for testing. What is HUD overlay on top of screen? Well, this is our current money. Purple is gonna be pollution, and the blue stuff now, this is gonna be our power. Like, I'm still working on the UI, you know? Now, let's check out what Tofix did with the shop. Oh my god, this is the shop now. I like how it hides the money completely. I cannot see how much money I have in the shop. That's kinda dumb. But this is still work in progress, as you can see. But this will be where you can buy stuff later. And Tofix, you need to use... The dimensions are completely wrong. You should not set stuff with font height. This does not scale. It's gonna look fine if I change my resolution to 1080p, which most people use. But it just doesn't scale. Oh my god, it's broken already. Yeah, this is all work in progress. Oh my god. What? Why did my game just bug splat? Tofix, what have you done? Well, I wouldn't be complaining about free stuff if it doesn't, you know, bug splat my entire game. It's kind of bad, you see? Okay, let's make a new world. Okay, I literally only have one shot before the game bug splats. I just want to show you that making UI scale well is kinda, annoying. What does pollution do? It's gonna attract bots. You see, now this looks perfect with the item scales, you know? But as I told you, it doesn't scale well. And okay, it didn't crash this time. Just do not open the shop, it's gonna be fine. It's Tofix's problem now, not mine. The music is perfect, I know. Alright, oh god, I didn't prepare this. So... Oh yeah, I also added another thing. I mean, I don't know. You probably just want to see it. It is certified Roblox Tycoon music. I've added loot crates. You know, I told you I wanted them. This will be public once it's finished, and this is a custom game. And this is not Roblox music. It's no copyright sounds. There's a link in the description to like a Spotify playlist, because that's how they want credit. They're probably even gonna claim my stream or something. So there's loot boxes, and they will randomly... Oh my god. There's a loot box. I didn't place it. I think it fell from the sky. Don't worry. These loot boxes are good, you know? My mic is the sound of death? Oh, what do you mean? Is my mic not okay? It looks alright to me. Oh, it's gonna take a while until I'm done. But this is really cool. I spent like... This was so fast while I not... You know, without... Okay, they spawn apparently a little bit too frequently. But you can make stuff so fast if you're not distracted by chat. So let me show you. This is the UI. And, you know, my UIs have a tendency to scale well. I mean, I'm not blaming anyone on making bad UIs. I'm just saying, you know, it's not that hard to make stuff scale. Actually, it is hard, because scrap mechanic graphical user interfaces are horrible. Anyway, let's open the loot crate. I maybe have to work on the sound. This is just placeholders for now. Yeah, I'm not 100% happy with it yet, but I think it's working well enough. And the honk sound effect doesn't work that well, but oh, I guess I could also literally create oh my god. Did I? Oh no. Can you drop items? I'm not sure. Okay, you can still drop items. Well, I disabled the harvestables, so... like, this is why we do not have any trees here. And they spawn so frequently, it seems. Okay, I need to lower the spawn frequency. There's way too many of these crates around. But they're gonna give you, like, items and money and stuff. It's really just like a Roblox Tycoon game. Oh my god, there's so many of them! Okay, I need to lower the spawn rate a bit. Okay, let's go into my mod folder, Scrap Factory, scripts, survival game.lua. Can I make this a variable? If you want early access to this custom game, become a member. Like, become the Megapixel member or higher and join my Discord. That's where I give out the early access while I keep working on this stuff. Because I gotta keep promoting my own memberships. I could have made this in Roblox Studio in one stream. Yes, but this is Scrap Mechanic. And you know, Scrap Mechanic is more awesome. You'll see once I'm done. Okay, where did I make the spawn stuff work? I need to look for crate, I think. Yeah. This now spawns the crate every 30 seconds. Let's change it to 69 seconds. I think that's a little bit better. And then we'll see. I know Roblox Studio also uses Lua. Oh, there's so many crates around. Oh my god. Why do so many crates spawn? Do they spawn across the entire map or just... is the area not correct? I didn't test this yet that much, honestly. Yeah, I'm just gonna fly around and I'm gonna see if there's some loot crate. Maybe the area's not big enough, and that's why it looks like there's too many spawning. But there's some crates. Okay, I don't think I'm seeing crate. Oh, there's crates here too. Oh my god. Yes. The spawn heights are really, spawn rates are really high. And they despawn after 10 minutes. I don't know, maybe 69 seconds is better. We'll see. Make them fall slowly and have a beam of light that appears? I don't know. I'm fine with them for now, you know? I can always make them better later. You want the spawn interval to be 1 second. I can show you how that would look like, guys. I'm not sure if it even updates this fast. This quickly. That should drop 1 every second. I don't know, it's gonna rain. The beacon functionality? No. This is a reason why you should explore the map, you know? So I think, you know, they shouldn't be too easy to find. I mean, they probably still drop way too often. Set the interval to 0.1 seconds. Okay, I've set it to, like, really small interval now. Look at this. This is literally raining now, crates. It's gonna get so laggy. Add lag? Oh, this is gonna... I don't know. This is probably not gonna be that laggy, I guess. Especially if you lower the physics. Now it's just gonna rain them like crazy, because it spawns now a crate every single tick. And yeah. Kinda crazy. It's raining tacos, but it's crates. Oh my god. You've been playing too much Roblox. Found the sunshake recipe. Lag mechanic. Set it to 0. I mean, of course I can spawn more, but bruh, it's just for testing. No, I'm gonna keep it at like 69 seconds. The pink and blue counter, pink is pollution, blue is gonna be power. As I said, I'm gonna work on the UI more. Alright. I think I really need to reload for the changes to take effect. Yeah, the power system. That's the title of the stream. We should get to work on it. Alright, so... Well, what I've already done is, okay, we need a function that formats the power to like a kilowatt value and stuff like that. That's the real fun, you know? Power could be yellow. Well, people weren't too happy about yellow. I can ask you. Which color should power be? Okay, I think I did this wrong. Okay, so we have blue and we have yellow. I don't think yellow was that readable, honestly. Yellow or blue, green. We already have green for the money, you know. I'm not gonna add power poles and wires. Oh, there we go. You went yellow. Oh no. I am sorry, I forgot the W. You want yellow? Yellow, okay. Honestly, it really does not matter that much. It's kind of a placeholder right now anyway. Yellow. That should actually be easy. I just do this. Okay, now we have a yellow. But I messed up some stuff. I have added too many zeros. There you go. Now we have yellow. Oh, and there's a crate. Oh my god, this really feels like a Roblox tycoon now. With the music, with the random loot crates dropping. I'm really glad. You had a hard idea. Just send a screenshot of the hard idea if you want. That really helps me, you know, at one glance to understand what you're up to. Alright, I still need to work on the UI more. I'm still caring for Euro people. I was just, I don't know. It feels like minus heaven. Yeah, it's like minus heaven, but better. That's actually quite a challenge. Scrap mechanic into Roblox. Okay, I now need to rework a lot of code to make the power work. I'm thinking, so I want some parts to consume power when the... Guys... Tofix! What have you done? Tofix, what is wrong with you? This is what happens when you let other people work on your mod. They completely break it. Oh my god. This is gonna be such a great money method. Dude, I can't even sell the ore fast enough. There's just too much. What is happening? Now it's creating 2 streams of ore? Oh my god. Oh my... Oh my god. Tofix, can you please test stuff? Before you... Oh my god. What did you even do? How do I know? I like it if... Okay, it must be in here. I literally don't even know what he changed. Set pose weight. Why does it keep dropping stuff all the time? This is so weird. I know you guys like it, but this is not how it should work. I like how Tofix is not even watching. First he breaks my script, and now he's gone. Oh my god. Okay, it keeps getting spammed. I mean, this is not really a thing. I don't think this is the issue. Oh my, why is this broken? Even the button gets pushed over and... Oh, I think it's... I know why. Okay, I do not know what's pressing this, but I think it's activating it all the time, and that's the issue. Like, he was like, oh, I'm gonna refactor your code. He just broke it. This is why I do not refactor stuff. Oh my god. I really think it's just, yeah, this is the problem. I found it. It just keeps activating it all the time. Line 39, you say, okay, I'm gonna have a look. This one. Oh my god, why does it exist? Why did you add this line, Tofix? Oh, I already added conveyor belts. I can show you if they are not broken either. I cannot spam it as I used to anymore, I think. Okay, another thing that should happen is the ore should despawn at some point. You know how I said the ore should despawn? It doesn't despawn. Oh my god. Is this the next thing that's broken? Like, this is not even moving anymore. Oh, god. Okay, it does despawn. And that block is spinning, yeah. I know it's because they're moving a tiny bit. I can lower the sensitivity. And then it's gonna be better. Yeah, let's make them much more sensitive. Okay, maybe not that sensitive. Okay, that should be a little bit better. I hope. I mean, you're not supposed to get these giant stacks anyway. I think what I can do is I can add a button you can press to instantly delete all jobs at once. You know. This is too shaky. Wait, oh my god, I have a really cool idea. You're gonna love it. Wait, there we go. Oh, I'm on physics 1. Okay, now the lag is manageable. Oh, no. Oh, I can show you the conveyor belt. I just need to get this car driving. Come on. Okay, we sold 1 ore. I want this to look much more satisfying than it actually is. But since the suspension was so low, it did not work. Come on, I want to see this just produce money. Like, this is things you can do with Scrap Mechanic. You can't do these things with Roblox. Oh no, now the money is gone, of course. Come on, please, please. Okay, it kinda worked. Kinda worked, it kinda did not work. What's all at once? No, the yours are only gonna get sold if you put them in a furnace. Alright, alright. Let's put the physics back up to advanced. Okay, let's see if my money-making thing still works. The one blueprint I have for testing. Or if any of this stuff broke as well. Oh my god, these loot crates. They can totally ruin your factory at some point. Okay, you see the conveyor belts still work. Stuff should get upgraded just fine. Okay. Oh, dude. Why is it so inconsistent all of a sudden? They should all have the same value, you know? Why is this so inconsistent now? Haha. Alright. Let's weld it and see if this is better. I think it was more consistent before, but I don't know why. I mean, everything is clearly going through the area trigger. Oh, look, okay, this is much better. It's just the shakiness. Perfect. What do you mean I'm only 20 minutes late? Oh, you're 20 minutes late. I didn't do much, you know? There's still way too many crates falling. Even at 69. Let's change that then. Oh god, there's too many 69s in my code. Let's change it to 100. That's not gonna be enough. I think 420 could be too long, but we're gonna see. Alright. No, I checked all. This is just working now. I need to work on the power stuff. So I want it so that objects consume power if you use them, and you can turn them on and off with logic. Because then you can build smart factories that only turn on if they need to, you know? I think that's a cool idea. Like, just imagine all of these upgraders disabling themselves, and then you have a sensor that only activates the upgraders when you need them to save power or something. I think that could be really cool. So, make automatic dropper. We're gonna do this. I just want to get the power and pollution system done first. And then we can like, once we have these systems, we can pretty much just focus on adding gameplay. You know? But yeah, I guess I need to... I think I should add the logic gate to your starter items. Add the connect tool. Deep fried chips, I couldn't create a shape. I tried to, but it says it needs to be a world-dependent function. So, yeah. That's why it didn't work. What are the purple and yellow values? Everybody's asking these questions. We really need some icons, you know? We need like a money icon. I need an icon for electricity. This could also just be the battery from Scrap Mechanic. And I need something for pollution. But I wanted to put like a chemical symbol there, maybe. Yeah. I guess I really just need a money icon. And then I can add that stuff like in the UI later. Like, I'm gonna work on this later. Anyway, so... where was I? I need to work on the power. Oh my god. Okay, where do I even start? Oh! Thanks for upgrading your membership, Bronson123 YouTube. You know, if you get to the megapixel tier, I have a chat in my Discord with a link to the current version of the mod. I'm gonna update it after the stream. You know, as a little bonus for the people who want to support the channel. At a sunshake reactor. Guys, if you're really spamming these ideas, you probably have to wait a couple, like a week or two. You know, then I can just focus on gameplay. As I'm still laying out the foundation. Let's just work on the upgrader. We're gonna need logic signals. Oh my god. Finally doing factory game mode. Yeah. I wanted to do the RAF thing, the idea didn't work out, so we're back to... Yeah, I cannot stop making. This mod is too good. Center world function. Dude, the blueprint just works. Shut up, it works. Oh my god, you know, people that complain about code that works perfectly fine, I don't understand it. It's not even like it's super it's jank that's spreading or something. Okay, we need to add logic to the upgrader. Scripts, game, interactables. Gas engine has some stuff. So we're just gonna copy this basically. I don't think I want a post weight count. This has 0 parent. Okay, it has 1 parent for the logic. Then it doesn't have any outputs, and it's gonna take a logic input. It's gonna output none. I don't know if I even need to say this. Then I just need colors. RGB, red, green, blue. I would do some like green color, I guess. Like this. Like these are like the highlight and normal colors. So if I now reload the world, I showed them the... Oh, welcome back, Tofix. I just had to fix a bug you added. Because this was spamming stuff. I showed them the GUI. Did you watch the stream, Tofix? Because the GUI, it doesn't scale well in 4K. I can show it to you again. Oh, I've made a new channel. Maybe ping someone on the Discord, like one of the moderators or admins. This is the GUI for the shop, but you see the text is too tiny. It doesn't scale, Tofix. Tofix, your text doesn't scale. You cannot just use font height, or I don't know if you can, how you can update that. But yeah, this is a plan for the shop. I think Tofix gonna make this better and like fix it. It also, the logbook is really buggy now. It bug splatted me some time ago. Well, yeah, you can go back in the stream if you want to see the dropper just automatically dropping stuff. Wait, if I rejoin, is the click dropper always gonna drop an item? I know you did a really good job on the GUI, the GUI, whatever we're calling it. Do not have this discussion again, please. Please. Oh lol, whenever you rejoin the world, the click dropper drops an item. You have no idea how to scale the text, Tofix. The way you do it is you just select, you do not specify the font height. You just specify a font, and the font height is automatically scaled with resolutions. The problem is, you cannot change the font height then manually. You're limited by what the font does. But you'll see. How do you play early access? Become a megapixel, like get the megapixel membership on my YouTube, join my Discord, and then there's a chat with a link to the mod. But there's not super lot of stuff to play right now. Okay, I just wanted to... Okay, I forgot. I need to add the connect tool. Okay, somewhere is a set item function. I think after the lift... Do you even need a sledgehammer? Probably. Alright, what is the UUID for connect tool? Connect tool. When will this be released? When it's done, guys. This takes time. As you can see. Like yourself. You cannot be any member to get the early access. I think you need to be at least Megapixel. You want free money so you can donate? What do you mean a stream that's giving out files for free? Oh, you mean someone's leaking the files of the mod? I mean... I cannot prevent people from sharing the files, you know? It's just how stuff works, you know? Yeah, I know it's kinda dumb. I'm looking for the connect tool. Connector tools.json. It's tool.connect, so it's this UUID. And then you're gonna spawn with the connect tool. Because I think you really need it. Why is the formatting weird now? Oh, there's a space. It needs to look... Oh, that looks nice. Where's the file being shared? Oh my god. Are you got... You really want to steal my code? Why? I mean... I'm already making the whole mod for free, so... You know, where's the problem with just having a bit of patience? Okay, look, now we've spawned with a connect tool. That's perfect. You need conveyors. I'm not sure, like, I've already added the conveyors. It's an old version of the mod. Oh yeah, it might send the active thing when it's created. It's kind of a bug. Where's the activate thing? It should only... Well, this is actually kind of weird. Okay, it's only gonna drop if the state must be active, you know? So only if the interactable is active, it's gonna work. So maybe I just need to, wait, I have an idea. Server activate, where's the function? Okay, maybe when I create it, it needs to make it false. I can probably just do this on the drop. Start a Patreon. Maybe, I don't know, I have a YouTube memberships, you know, it's integrated. So I don't actually know if there's a lot of people who would want a Patreon too, you know? I mean, I know that Patreon has some advantages. Yeah, I do not know. Okay, when it's gonna get created, set active to false, and maybe that's gonna prevent it. I don't know. Let's see. Because it's kind of odd that it starts dropping stuff if you just load into the world. Spawn with dropper and furnace? Yes, you spawn with a dropper, you spawn with a furnace, you know, you start with all the necessary items. Oh, it's still happening. This is weird. So this was not the problem. Interesting. So, the only way stuff can drop is if state... The state must be State must be true, and then it's gonna drop stuff. But how is it true? It doesn't make sense. Okay, let's do some debugging. Because this is kind of bad. Or maybe it also activates the activate method. I do not know. Now you have to watch me debug stuff. I'm not sure if it was broken before, you know. Reload the map to press money. It's faster to just press F or E, whatever you assigned the key to. Okay, drop the part nonetheless. Let's see. Okay, it printed state. So this is actually the part that's activating it. 1. Why did it print just a 1? That is really odd. How is this active? Because the state should be false, because it shouldn't be active, you know? Oh my god, this is so dumb. What happens if I place down a new one? Look, it doesn't drop an item, it's only when I reload the game. That is really interesting. Oh, I selected stuff in the console. If only you could afford scrap mechanic. But why is this true? It shouldn't be true, because it shouldn't be active. It literally doesn't make any sense. Oh my goodness. I don't understand it. Hey, welcome, Moonburn. Yeah, I'm just debugging some stuff. Stuff's weird. How many hours do I have on scrap mechanic? Quite a few by now. Oh my god, okay. So apparently it's true. Why is this true? I mean, it's not activating it. It's only gonna be on interact or on action. And I'm doing neither of these. So it's not gonna activate it. I mean, I tested this before. Oh my god. Check other classes for the variable. Actually a fair point. Well, the dropper doesn't assign stuff, you know? It just does the drop function and it, you know, specifies some values. I will replace the mod when it's playable. You know, that's the thing. Alright, let's have a look at this. So... No, it doesn't activate it. It really does not activate it. For some reason, it's literally just true. For some reason, the interactable is active. 300 viewers? We have... do we really have 300 viewers right now? My stream deck says it's... Oh my god. My stream deck is broken. Oh, why are so many people watching this right now? I know I can add a delay. I have an idea. Do we need brackets? Is this the is this the solution? I like, logic is weird. Maybe this is gonna work. If this is not gonna work, I'm gonna just check if the other thing... I don't know. It's actually kinda dumb. Oh, this did not fix it. Is it compatible with modpack? No, it isn't. Okay, then let's just try the set active. Like, this should work, you know, when I create it. Set active false. If this doesn't work, I have another idea. You're working on a prototype of this mod having conveyors using pipes. I mean, I don't want to use too much like physics, because they get really laggy. Why is this still happening? Why is this still happening? Okay, Okay, I know another check. If this is unequal to nil and state... Yeah, this should work, I think. Don't forget to join my Discord. Oh yeah, thanks. It's great to have some active mods in here. Like, I really need them if there's 300 people watching. Like, 300 people are just staring at me struggling to code the most basic things. It's so dumb. See, I fixed it. And it still works, so... I'm a genius. It's fixed, guys. That's good. Okay, minor issue fixed. Let's push this to GitHub. I like pushing stuff to GitHub. It's so satisfying. Now it can be like, fixed instant drop. And later I can just look at it and I feel so productive. Because I can look at the history and like, oh, today I pushed this many updates. What else did I change? Oh yeah. What I actually was working on is adding the power stuff. Right, I remember. If you're a member, you can play it right now. You just need to be a megapixel member. Okay, you see, you now I've got the logic signal. And... I need a switch. The idea is then you can be able to turn... you should be able to turn stuff on and off. And if it's turned off, it's gonna use... you know, it's not gonna use power. I don't know, I like the idea of building efficient factories with sensors and stuff to not use too much power if you really want to. Or you can just, you know, let stuff always run. I mean, it could just add a very interesting, you know, it can be interesting because, like, it adds an incentive, you know? There could be an upgrader that consumes an absurdly high amount of power, and then you want to use it really efficiently. What an answer to why Adam's not working. Oh my god. Thanks for becoming a member, Nickmap. If you want to get the link to the mod, you need to join my Discord, and you need to link your YouTube account to your Discord profile, and then there's gonna be a chat with the work in progress version of this mod. I can probably also upload the uranium mod, what I have so far, if you just want to see the, you know, stuff. Alright, so time to work more on the logic. Alright, I'm now working on the upgrader. Server on fixed update. Okay, where... Oh, I do not have this function, do I? Thanks for becoming a member as well, Slabby. Is this how I say your name, Slibby? This was the best idea I ever had, to put the VIP version behind the paywall. Oh my god, I mean, this is incredible how much of you are, like, willing to donate, like, it's alright, you know. I'm still not rich, you know. I wish I was. Probably I have to start paying for builds soon, because I'm not gonna be officially a registered student, and that's expensive. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, I mean, still, thanks for all the donations. Will I ever come out with merch? I don't know. Special chat to link to YouTube. Well, you can post it. Self-promotion is not really what my server is for. The glass walls, this is just a placeholder. I need to add, like a block or something. I can easily, you know, change the texture of to look better. Yeah. This is so distracting. And I think there's still too many loot crates. Creative generator for infinite power? Not a bad idea. It's gonna be useful for testing. Oh, you want access to the mod. Well, join my Discord. Link your YouTube account to your Discord account, and then it should automatically work. Do you also boost my server? Thank you. I edited the entire loot crate in like 2 hours, and now I'm so distracted on stream. It's incredible. It's incredible. Alright, we want to work on the power. Upgrader, server on fixed update. On fixed update. Okay, local power and... Oh my god. Thanks for becoming a member too, Moonburn. I think you've been here for quite a while. I think you've even been on my second channel when I used to stream there, so... Ah, it's amazing. Like, I'm like, the support today is incredible. It's like even more motivating to work on the mod, you know? There should be bad crates that add pollution. You know, why not? I will work on the crates a bit more later, you know, make them a bit nicer. For now, they're functional-ish. Okay. Parent is self.interactable get single parent. Okay. Hope it's a function. If not parent, you know, if this is an orphaned, we need to return. Then return end. Bam. Now I can be okay, if it's not a parent, then oh my god. How do I do this? Self.active active equals true. You know, without a parent it should always be active. And if it says a parent, then self.active is gonna equal parent.isActive. Parent is active. And now I can just do a chat if... Wait, how do I do the check? Oh my god. Self did previous... Oh god. This is getting a little bit complicated, but it's gonna work out nicely. Self.previous active equals false. Now I can just check if... If self.previous active is not the same as... Well, if the previous state is not the same as the current state, then it should update stuff. Name the mode satisfactory. I don't know, maybe we can do a poll on some, like, votes later. For now, you know, I'm still working on a lot of basics, I would say. Self.network, send to clients. Send to clients. Client underscore toggle effect, which needs to be a string. And I need to pass the active. Self.active. Then I can add a method. And it's gonna make it so you can turn off the entire thing, which is gonna be pretty epic. God, this stream is crazy, even with the, like, delay. I'm surprised so many people are interested in modding stuff, but I guess it's also really cool to just see new content being made for Scrap Mechanic. Why did the music stop? Oh, always kind of weird. I guess I need to start playing the other list. I need to prepare my music. I've been streaming so much. I should probably just spend a day reworking some of the stuff I use for streaming. Oh, that's the music we had before. Oh wait, I literally have like a factory playlist. You like conveyor belts? You want the bells in creative mode? Okay, that's too loud. Can I install this map? Music list making stream? Music list I don't know. I'm not sure how much people want to see. Like, what if I stream a game that is not Scrap Mechanic? You know, how many people would like to watch that? I have no idea. Like, if you... I don't know, maybe I just ask you. I mean, you guys gotta be honest, though. Play Fortnite. Someone's working on a Fortnite mod, you know? If... Lots of people are voting for yes, you know? Maybe we can stream some more. I don't know. I'll have to see. If active... Then... Start... Else... End. Hope you're vibing with the music. I think it's called Stop. And it's only gonna do the on stay if it's active. If self.active, then... Or, you know what some people like to do, if not self.active. And then they do just return, because I've heard this is a nice way to doing things. I don't like it because it's a weird one-liner, but this should now work. Among Us stream when? Minecraft mod for Scrap Mechanic or the other way around? Oh, that would actually be epic. Just generate a world. Okay, I was just like, yeah, let's make an entire world made out of blocks. But then I realized it's a dumb idea. And I just tried a creative world. Found a bug. It's not the latest version on the, in the members room yet. I'm gonna update it after the stream. Mod for Among Us. Is the music too loud? I have a feeling it might be too loud. Oh yeah. The music's definitely kicking in. Wok Factory. We're gonna add a lot of funny droppers. You know. Alright, now what I want to see is... Oh, you see, this is... Why are my frames crumbling? What happened to my frames? You see this? Why are my frames Oh no! Do you see the glass is becoming solid? Oh no 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 no. Okay, I need the right effect methods. Toggle effects. Oh, I'm so dumb. Wait, am I dumb? Did I even set the previous active? Oh, I am dumb. Okay, let's just do it this way. Okay, I have this working in a minute, and then it's gonna be epic. And... Okay, and now previous active equals, self.active. Oh, no, I need to set it at the beginning. No, where do I set it? Okay, I need to do it this way. Now the logic should work. This sets the active, this does the check, and this does this. Okay, because it kept producing the same effect again and again. Intense music intensifies. I made this playlist for, Satisfactory once. Okay, this looks much worse. Why is this active? It shouldn't be active. Oh god, you see what keeps happening? Okay, you see it's kind of working, but also kinda not. Oh, this is really cool. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so much better when I change the texture, the effect I'm using. And you know, also thanks for becoming a member, Panda Cub. Are you guys just joining to get early access to the mod? And okay, currently you see, this is moving me, and I think if I turn it off, the conveyor belt should also stop working. Yeah, this is perfect. This is great. Okay. If I remove the switch, it turns automatically active, which is good, so you do not need logic. Now the only problem is if I join a world and it's connected. You know, this is kind of an issue with the sound effect. Okay, the timing is so bad. You're all so excited for this mod. Why does the game keep bug splatting? Oh my god, this is so bad. It only started bug splatting when I let Tofix work on the mod. I'm just... Why do you let other people work on your project? Just so I can blame them if something goes wrong. It's literally one of the best reasons. You see, currently it's active. It shouldn't be active, because it has a parent. Why is it active? Okay, so what is gonna happen? It sees it has a parent, so self that if not parent means active is gonna be true. Previous active is gonna be false, so it's gonna tell it to toggle the effects with active but active is true in this case, and then it stops. Okay, that's dumb. Is this just gonna work? Let's see. Add egg dropper. The shop is still work in progress. Do you mean the conveyor belts? They have a thing. Okay, now this looks like it's just working. Perfect. Let's just make sure if I rejoin, it's not gonna work. And then I'm gonna make it so whenever this is active, it will actually consume power, and it can start working on the power system. And then the fun stuff is, you know, turning it off if you're over the power limit and stuff. Oh my god. Add egg dropper. Oh my god. It will take a while to finish, you know? Wait. Did I not fix it? And I'm still so... Why did it bug splat? Let me have a look at the log. Server on stay? Okay. I now know why it bug splatted. It has to do with the area trigger. Then calling down here. Belt server on stay. Will it be compatible with the uranium mod? I don't know, maybe? Okay, this is perfect. Wait, should we steal a thumbnail from a 5-year-old video from Spycakes? Are you... If so, that would be... I don't know. I did not make the thumbnail. I didn't have the time to. Why is stuff breaking? Why is it bug splatting? It has something to do with the area trigger of... Oh, you just got it from Google Images? Oh my god. We can store power in a master battery? Maybe. I'm not sure how advanced I want the system to be. Okay, let's move the switch around. This is not creating bug splats. What do you mean you didn't break it? I don't know if you broke it. Why did it bug splat? That is so weird. think I might know why it bug splatted. I have an idea that I can do, which might prevent the bugs. No, okay. I'm already checking if stuff exists. No idea why it bug splats. I hope this is just not gonna happen again. You want an overpowered egg dropper? We can do it at some point, you know? If I have an egg model, if someone wants to build a giant chicken that drops the eggs. Oh, you fixed the GUI scaling? Okay, my pings are already ruined. You know, I also have some people who want to work on a better conveyor belt model. So, like, here's an example. You know, this is another work in progress thing. But some people are working on better models too. Ah, okay. Yeah, Tofix is also trying to make the shop UI better. Okay, now I downloaded the image. Oh, now I closed the image. Now, okay. I don't know. You don't need to see it. He's working on it. At rare chickens you can find that drop a single golden egg. You know, it's a really interesting idea to... why am I even turning off the music? It's an interesting idea to make the windmill produce energy per second, but then I think you need... Oh my god. Guys, how... Okay. Okay, well, do I have thinking music? You know, for the deep thinking. I have something. I can play this. Okay. Okay, guys, I have a perfect idea for a really dumb system. Oh my god, this is actually not a... Okay, let me explain. So, we're gonna have items that are gonna consume power, and we're gonna have our windmill. So basically, the windmill, for example, is producing 5 power per second. And... do we also have... Okay, it's producing 5 power per second, but there's no way to store it. So basically, without being able to store the power, we always just have 5 power. However, you can also add batteries. And then there's gonna be batteries, and the batteries can store a certain amount of power. So... Wait, is this actually helpful? Does this actually work? I don't know. The idea is, actually, I think this is not a bad idea. I mean, you could add, you know, if you have like a solar panel, it's only gonna produce power during daylight. You can use it to charge up batteries, which are gonna store the power. And then the power is getting used, you know? Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of my idea. Because it's also easier to do, you know? I can just make each part consume power when it's active, basically. And then I have the advantage, if you're running out of power, you know, not your entire factory is gonna shut down, but only parts will shut down or something. It's gonna be really weird if you run out of power. But I also run into a situation where suddenly everything stops working, you know? I don't know. What other ways are there to make a power system? Do you want a power system with storage, or do you want a power system without storage? I can just make a poll. Probably want storage in a way. I mean, storage is not gonna be mandatory. So you can, for example, if you have enough windmills and they're gonna produce like 20 power per second, and you only consume 70 power per second, of course you do not need storage. But once you actually have fluctuation, you want batteries. You want batteries. Oh my god. I mean, I think storage could be a good system. Oh. Can I start you? Oh no, do not argue about the pronunciation. Now I need to think of a system to... So if I make an event to like send to game, is this actually is this super inefficient or not? I'm thinking, how can I easily consume the power, you know? I would need like a global variable for the power, essentially, you know? Play a different game for another $1? I'm not gonna change the game midstream. You can borrow power if you run out? Well, I could make it so you can buy power.
Play a different game for another $1.
Thanks for the donation. The guy, why not a global? Because else I always need to send to game, and that's kinda dumb. Make pool for... We can argue about the egg dropper when we, you know, when the other stuff is done, basically. Because what we need is a shop system, and I also need a system to sell stuff, and I need the pollution system. And then we're more or less done. Oh my god. Oh, you... Okay, Tofix pushed a new GUI. Let me see. That's the amazing stuff about GitHub. It's so easy to, like, collaborate on a mod. Now I'm just pulling his latest changes. I relaunched the game and we're gonna have a new GUI. Yeah. I think I'm gonna use the system, cause it's really, easy. Like, the totally random person, what he just said is like, you know... it makes it easier to, like... Oh my god, this is so... Okay, this is gonna be fun. I am working on a power system. I didn't give $2 to you. Dude, this is a scrap mechanic stream. I'm not just gonna change the game mid-stream. And look at the... Okay, Tofix just... Okay, the logbook is still broken. But yeah, the UI is improved now. And that's good. The problem is, I can easily just spend the power. What have I done to the game mode? Why are you so angry? You're making progress. Dude, I'm a scrap mechanic channel mostly, you know? What have I done to the game mode? It's just, I don't know, have you not been watching the other streams? Yeah, there's gonna be a storage, for the batteries and stuff. It's gonna be epic. Oh, wait, if we just use energy storage? We need two variables. We need one variable that shows you how much energy is stored, and another one that shows you how much energy you're currently producing. I don't know, I just keep thinking in my head about the power. Like, another thing is, how often do I want to update the power? Because if I only update it, like, every second, one thing you could do is you could just, make a clock that always deactivates, an upgrader when it would actually, consume the power. So, my clickbait titles are good. How is this a clickbait title? I mean, I guess you mean the thumbnail. I didn't make the thumbnail. You want egg power. I don't know. It's really hard to think. Because there's a stream as chat distracting me. Okay, we're gonna need a power variable. I would really like to make it a public, global variable. Yeah. Every part that is gonna... Like, every part that generates power has a storage of, you know, exactly how much power it produces per second. So basically, the windmill is gonna produce 20 power, and it can also store 20 power, you know? Yeah. This is complicated. But no, I think I want to use the global. Because that's so much easier. More like Factorio or Roblox Tycoon. It's gonna be something in between. We're gonna make a global. I know people are gonna hate me for it, because globals are annoying, as it exposes data to a lot of stuff, where you might not want it to be, but yeah, it's easier. Okay, I'm also gonna save the power. Save.power. This is gonna be 0 when we start. And... What do you mean, bad idea? People could still make clubs. Yeah. I have ideas in my mind. Like, I'm gonna give each part its own clock. So whenever you turn on an... You know, if I add a global, it's really easy to do. I'm not adding wires. I'm adding logic, so, you know, for certain parts, so you can turn them on or off. Okay, I'm also gonna need a short break right now. I'm gonna be back in a minute or two. You know the drill? We're gonna get the Sunshake ad, it's gonna be laggy, I need to fix it. I should make a list with stuff I need to fix for streaming. Anyway, I'll be right...
Sunshake! I always drink Sunshake before a fight. It makes strong. My strength is over 9,000. Sunshake, freely walk inside you.
No energy, guys. It's energy. Yes, do not spam it. Okay, if we, like, you know, once we have the foundation done, it's gonna be more fun. Then I can add an egg energy generator if you want to. No. Okay, I'm gonna add the global g underscore power is gonna equal self.server.save.factory.power. Once we are done, oh my goodness. I need a function when I add power. No, that's for the generators. The generators add power. The other objects, they just consume power. I can just add a utility function, I guess, for this. I don't know, this is gonna get a little bit messy. Oh god, yeah, do not look at the format money thing, it's terrible. Consume power. Or maybe like use power. Nah, consume, I think it fits it better. Amount. If G underscore power is higher than the, I should maybe just call it power. Power, then G underscore power equals G underscore power minus power, and we're gonna return true. Else we're gonna return false, you know, meaning we cannot spend the power. What did you miss? I'm trying to add an energy system to the whole thing. Okay, now I need to save the power. Okay, the generators are gonna add the power, and they need a capacity. Oh my god. Scrap Mechanic uses FBX models. Why did I even... Why did I even suggest doing this on stream? I need to think, and I don't really want to think right now. Because this is the boring work, you know? Like, how do I add power, you know? There's the limit. Actually, it's fine. We need, Wait, I already saved the power somewhere. Oh my god, this is a mess. Where is it? Where's the power? I set the HUD with it. Yeah, there's even an add power function. Oh my god.
Can you see the HUD, logo, etc. that I send you Discord?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look on it. Let me see. Okay, the stupid bug is gonna be fixed. Oh my god. Look at the HUD this guy added. This is actually great. Look at this. This looks really cool. I even like the nuclear sign for the, thing. And there's even enough space to, like, show, You know what we could actually do? I can set a power bar, you know? I can set the fraction of the power over here. So it could actually be a bar, and if this fills up, it means your storage is full. If it goes down, your storage is gonna go down, you know? We don't need the percentage. This is really smart, actually, you know? I like this. So, one question now. Do you prefer this HUD? Let's just call it the bar HUD? Or do you like a HUD like this? You know, where it's on top and it shows numbers. What would you prefer? The bar HUD or the, I don't know, the top HUD? I want to see what you think. Yeah, I'm making a poll right now, don't you worry. I think it's pretty obvious. The bar HUD or the top HUD? You don't need to spam, I'm making polls. It just takes some time to make the polls. This one has the -7 vibe. It's 95% already for bar HUD. On 95 votes. Bars should be at the top of the screen. Yeah, I think they should be, you know? Oh. My god. Thanks for signing up for the Gigapixel membership tier, Johnny. Much appreciated. You know, as I told the other people, join my Discord, link your YouTube to your Discord profile, and you're gonna have access to the member-only chats, and you know, the chat where I show some work in progress things. Yeah, I'm gonna move the huts, the bars probably, because I do not like them in the top left corner. Gasoline energy source. Yes, I will add stuff like this. You should do Australian hut. So yeah, thank you for doing the hut. I'm gonna download the file. We're gonna have a look at it. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna send it to Tofix. And I'm gonna ask him to do the work for me. He's the guy now for this. Where's his Discord thing? There we go. Alright, Showfix is now gonna work on the hot stuff. Alright, Master of Laziness. What just fell in the background? Yeah, there's loot crates dropping from the sky. You know, they have weird sound effects. They're not perfect yet. But yeah. Crank energy is not a bad idea. Oh, I don't know. Maybe there could be some custom energy generator that works with like rotation. Like the battery generator. Anyway, I gotta actually do the code. Oh my goodness. Actually what I'm doing here is I'm just figuring out the power storage. Oh my god, I would really love to do this off stream. This is so much headache. But you wanted me to stream this, so here we are. Okay, I set the power to the saved value, which I think is fine. You know, this is actually gonna work. This is gonna work. Now, what I currently set as the power is probably just the power limit. Yeah, this is the power limit. So I'm gonna rename this to power limit. Perfect. And now I need the save stuff. I do that like every second, I think. Unfixed update. There we go. Every second I save the saved values. Okay, that's already handled. Perfect. Here we have the power limit. Self server.factory power limit. No, we have G power now. Okay, I think what I can now do is what do you mean you can help? As I said, I would like to just build the foundation before I let too many people work on this mod. I only let Tofik on here, Tofix, because for once he's gonna do the UI stuff for me, which I hate doing anyway, and I've already worked on the raft mechanic mod with him. Or self-client power. Oh my god. Okay, let's just call this power limit. And self... Oh, this is confusing. Okay, I need to rename this too. But yeah, it's gonna be so epic once we're done with this. It's really gonna be a factory game mode, you know, people have been waiting for. So now, this is the power limit. I don't know what to do about the global, though. Okay, I probably do need a self-to-client.power after all. Local power limit, and power is just gonna be if host and g_power or self.client.power. Perfect. Power, oh, I also need to set the client data correctly. Client... yes, I am gonna... Oh my god, I'm not gonna add an egg bar. But we're gonna have the power bars, like, that guy suggested. That is pretty epic, you know? But I let Tofux, I'm gonna let him do the work. Actually, I can probably also send him the other code that I've got. You know, then he, I think, better knows what to do. Alright. Some explosion? Haha. Agagy. At least the chat is somewhat busy, you know, doing these things. Local power is this, self-client.power. I think we have now 2 different variables, which is good. This is now going to be, you know, I'm gonna make better formatting for this later anyway, but this is now just for testing. This is now not the power, this is just gonna be the power. So now it should say nil out of nil. Perfect. Oh, I like it. Set client data. Power limit should be this. And power is gonna be g_power. And I don't know, I hope it's just gonna work. They rejoin or something. Yeah, stop spamming about the eggs. We can add in like Easter egg maybe, you know? Okay, this is not bad. So it says, you know, our energy capacity is 20. This is right, but I do not know why it says nil currently. So we're using doesn't exist out of 20 power. Let's make a new world. We provide the best ideas. Like, ideas is not what I read right now. I need a working power system. You know? Once we have all of this stuff, we can focus a lot more on ideas. Okay, you see, now it works. We have 0 out of 10 power. This is perfect. And maybe we can also add higher energy storage. No, I don't need to. So yeah, this is actually not that bad. Alright, now I just need a new function for the generators. Because currently this is called add power limit. That would make a lot more sense. It's called only add power. I'm gonna change it to add power limit. Everything's nice. I probably also need to mess with the data structure. Oh, people are still working on the money for the donation. When is the work on progress going to be updated? After the stream. Hope I can get a bit of stuff done. Tootbox torture shit. What are you guys even suggesting? Oh my god. Alright. I need to open the object set. Crop factory, objects, database, shape sets, generators the shape set. I am gonna make the windmill spin. Okay, we need more properties. I need power and I need power limit. Perfect. So, generated a lure. This is gonna be power limit. Perfect. Okay, now what we're gonna need is pretty simple. It's gonna be a server unfixed update. Unfixed update. I'm just testing if sm.game.get current tick modulus 40, so it's only gonna update every second. Then, and I'm just gonna, I think I can just modify G power. No, I thought if I have a utility for this. Do file. I'm smart. Do file, content data. Scripts. Wait. Slash scripts slash utility.lua. And what did I call it? I called it consume power. Okay, this is completely useless right now. We can scrap this. I know I can make it spin, and this will work in multiplayer. But it's gonna be co-op in multiplayer, you know, everyone builds the same factory. How do I add the power? I need to send this to, like, the game. And I forgot to rename this. I think that's gonna be fine, since this is just the server, so... yeah. Let it be a server problem. Self-data.power. Data.power limit. Did I set this correctly? Power limit. Yep, that's perfect. A treadmill that... you know, we can add stuff like a treadmill to generate more power, you know? The pass down left... the bars down left... you know, we're not gonna need... I don't know, down left is not a great position. You want them, like, you know, front and center. Like, to, you know, this is all the game is about, you know, about funny numbers going up, you know? I'm probably still gonna keep the health system, though. I don't know, maybe I wanna have, you know, food and water deplete over time, and then you need to make a farm with droppers or something. There could be, like, a carrot droppers, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do there. It's not super important right now. Add power. Power. Okay, now I just need this in survival game. Add power. We're gonna need power. And then g.power is gonna be... g_power is gonna be math.minimum. Whatever is smaller, the power limit, or G power plus power. And now that I have this function, you can see we have 10 out of 10 power right now. You know, so that keeps working perfectly. Although I might have to start adding some rounding to the UI. Okay, this is bad. I've deleted the windmill and it still shows the stuff. A nil value. Generator lane 8. Oh my goodness. What is a nil value? On limiting power limit. Why is this a nil value? Oh, maybe I need to, like, reload the world. Yeah, you you really just need patience, guys. Okay, it says 0 out of 0. I place it down. Like, you see, when I place it down, it first says 0 out of 10 power, but then it goes up to 10 power. Now that I delete it, we have 10 out of 0 power. This is actually kinda odd. We should not have more power than we can actually consume. Now we have more power than we can store. Oh my god. This leads to all sort of issues. What's important? This is the saved power. I can just, do a check. Where's the check? It should be add power. It's on fixed update. On fixed update. This is where I update most of my logic anyway. So, G power is gonna equal wait, this should actually update. No, it doesn't update because I'm not adding power anymore. So yeah, I'm probably gonna need to update this here. Equals math dot the smaller value. Yeah. Self dot server dot save dot power limit. No, it needs. Okay, I have a factory failed where I saved this. The power limit and G power. Okay, now this is gonna be whatever is the smaller value. And then I also need to update the saved power, actually. Wait, where do I load the power in the beginning? Okay, I have saved factory power. Perfect. On fix. And this one is now gonna be G underscore power. Perfect. Okay, now it says 0 out of 0. Alright, let's try it again. How far has I... I'm working on the power system. I don't know. Maybe I can get parts of it working. Maybe not all. Okay, yeah, if I remove it, you see it relatively quickly goes down to 0 out of 10. It doesn't update like instantly, but it's alright, I think. Wait, actually, I think I have another idea. I have the add power limit function somewhere. Maybe the power limit needs to be a global as well. What do you mean people can exploit? I have an idea to update it instantly. Yeah, I can first do this in the power limit function. Add power limit. No, I think it's called add power. Well... No, I think this is fine. You cannot add more power than your power limit can carry, so when you delete something, it's gonna keep stuff, but that's actually not that much of a problem. Yeah. And this is gonna ensure, you know, this is actually fine, I think. You know, if I spam more of these, It's gonna be fine. You know, also keep in mind, stuff is actually gonna consume the power. Like, yeah, no, this is already working. This is exactly what I'm doing. This is fine. You see, if I keep deleting parts, it just temporarily makes the power higher. But you know, it will naturally go down. I don't know, this works well enough, you know? I think this is fine, you know? Completely fine. What do I make work in the GUI? Have you not seen the screenshot, Tofix? I can show it again. So... okay, yep, there we go. So yeah, this guy made a UI, you know, in the top left you can see, which I think is really cool. You have these bars, you know. And he also made these icons, which I think are pretty cool. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think Toolfix broke the click dropper though. I'd be pretty sure, but... because I would definitely have noticed. But you know, other than that, he didn't break stuff, so it's fine. No, I think this is great. Also for the pollution and stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna set the money bar. Or if this actually needs to be a bar. You know, what if we have the money as a box and the bars next to it? I don't know. We'll see. Now let's just leave the world and see what happens. If the power still stays the same. Okay, we have 50 out of 50 power. It's working. Perfect. And why is it spawning so many crates? Why is it spawning crates so fast? I'm not sure if we can even make the parts work. Money bar fill up until the next prestige. Maybe. Always full unless it's 0. You know, it could fill up until the next prestige, you know, that's a good idea. I don't know. What did I just... yeah, why does it spawn so many crates? I don't understand. Oh no, I think I know why. Wait, what? Oh my god, I know why, I know why. It's because it does the Mutilus before it does the other thing. I don't know. This should stop the crate spawns. You can only hold some... no, I don't want people to deposit money. Oh, now I'm playing the Wrath Mechanic world. It's bad. It's not what I intended, dang it. Yeah, we can now also add, like, batteries. We can actually add a simple interactable that's just gonna increase the power limit. When do you think... this will take, I think, 2 weeks maybe until this is playable. I don't know. Some placeable walls to set the max amount of money? I don't know. I think it could really be the next money until a prestige. Well, you know, you think it's gonna take 4 weeks, but as I said, a lot of the work is just building the foundation. Once I have all of this done, it's gonna be pretty easy. You know, the next thing I'm gonna do is, like, why not add batteries, you know? It should be really easy to do. Do I add it under generators? You want some members to be moderators? I mean, just because you're paying for stuff doesn't mean, you know, you should have moderator rights. Now do it. Okay, let's stall it storage Storage.shapeset, I think that's good. Just so I can have stuff separated. Oh, it was a joke? Alright, now I need to look up the shapeset again. Now I'm gonna write a very simple battery script, which is gonna increase your power limit. And then maybe I can start making stuff consume power. Storage.shapeset. Maybe I could call it battery.shapeset. I think storage is fine. Okay, let's copy more stuff. Scrap mechanics, survival, objects, database, shapesets. It's under resources. Yeah, I worked on Rev Mechanic for more than a month. Like, it's insane, the grind. Why is the battery not showing up under resources? Dang it. Okay, then it's consumables. Maybe there's like a whole fuel shape set? I do not know. Oh yeah, the battery is not showing up. Nice. Oh, it's consumable underscore shared, I think. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Now that's just gonna be a small placeholder. Let's change some random letters in here. And that's just gonna make sure it's gonna be a unique UUID object. Storage, battery. Renderable can stay the same. Color. Worked on 3 parts for more than a year. I don't know, sometimes it can really just be tough to program stuff. Stack size 999. Restrictions, we do not need restrictions. Okay, now this is gonna add a new battery to the mod. Let's test that first. Like, making a script to just increase the power limit is gonna be really easy. Once I have it. And it's not showing up. That could be for multiple reasons. This does look like something that should work, unless I, of course, added a comma. That is too much. That's why you usually want the JSON formatting. Alright, now let's check again. We should have a custom battery. No. Oh, okay. It's still a consumable. And you see it even has a different color. So that's good. Now there's a consumable tag. Yep, we can remove it. Perfect. Now I can start writing a simple script. Factory, scripts, generators, rename, battery. Where am I editing? I don't know, I can make it trust, I guess. Whatever. Battery. I guess I could just reuse some functions. I don't even need a new script. I am so dumb. A battery is just a generator. Do I even need a new shapeset for this kind of stuff? I think to keep things separate, it's nice. But yeah, this is just a generator that doesn't produce energy. Set a script to it. Let's put the power to 0. power limit like 100. Now this is gonna increase the power limit. Okay, I also need to check that the power is bigger than 0. Because else it's kinda dumb. Perfect. How many lines of codes are in the whole mod? I do not know. Want a Trello board for my amazing ideas? I have a Trello board, but I'm not really using it right now. Alright, now we should already have a generator. There we go. It should just be one click, and look, now we can increase our storage limit. This is how easy it is. Haha. Now, if I press down a windmill, okay, this has storage of its own, of course, but yeah, this is now gonna slowly start producing energy. Let's rejoin and see if it saves the power as 2. If I now rejoin, I should have like 120 power, which would be really good. That means the storage works. Okay, it doesn't work. That is dumb. Self.save.factory.power equals gpower, and then I save this. And if I initialize it, survival game.lure. Why is it getting reset? I think, you know, it might be that the server on fixed update, yeah, probably need to check if the factory limit is bigger than 0. Because else it's just gonna reset it. Because else it doesn't even make any sense. Perfect. Okay, now we have 610 storage. Let's reload the world. This is your second favorite coding channel. Have I become a coding channel now? Spinning banana in a microwave is a great idea for a generator. Okay, it still says 610 power. Let's remove some batteries. Okay, and slowly our capacity is gonna decrease as well. Perfect. Let's replace the batteries. Okay, why do I currently have... Okay. It's not gonna consume the power if the power limit is 0. Which, I just do this check. Oh my goodness, this is kind of dumb. Being able to place it everywhere and get storage feels weird. But look, the thing is, if I use, like, just the logic connections, it's the same, you know? You can still place it everywhere. The only difference is, putting out your connection tool, everything is gonna be weird. And if I add connections, you know, I need to deal with multiple power grids and stuff. It's actually a lot more complicated, you know? This is a lot easier. Yeah. Let's put up the batteries and test again. Let's produce some power. All the way to like 100. Then I'm gonna exit. Oh, you're right. I know. You know, the problem why you know, if I delete everything, why I still have power, the reason for this is because... it's kinda dumb. Actually, I have an idea how I can save this. If power limit is smaller than 0, then and g underscore power equals math dot whatever is smaller. The g dot power or self dot server dot factory dot power limit. Okay, now this is gonna prevent it. At cheese. Well, we can, dude, we can have like we can have a wok milk dropper, and there could be a cheese refiner that turns your wok milk into cheese. We can add stuff like that. It's gonna be fun. But first, you know, I gotta get basics. Look, we still have 0 power. Okay, we still have all the power because... Yeah, look, now it's working. Now it's working. You know, if I now remove things, it instantly deletes the power. So, this is perfect. This is perfect. Can I send the icons for the GUI? Oh my god. I can take a look, Tofix. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Yeah. 1 second. I'm just sending Tofix the icons so he can work on the, Stop DMing me on Discord, it's a mess, you know, if it's really not necessary, you don't need to DM me. Oh, that guy also made a logo, by the way, which I didn't show you yet. What do you think of this logo? Scrap Factory? I think it's alright. The mod is gonna be so lit, you're right. I think the power system's pretty cool already. And I just actually need to make stuff, wrong font? Oh, hi Technologic Nick. Yeah, the font is probably... I mean, it's better than no logo, you know? You know, I think it's pretty alright for now. Alright. So I think it's time to make stuff consume power. Which is the fun stuff. And I think I can start with the dropper. Is it also gonna consume... Oh no. This is gonna be so easy, actually. Okay. The click dropper needs its own thing when it consumes. What do you mean the person who made it is so sad now? What do you mean the logo? I think the logo is pretty... You know, it's... This is just a sketch for now, you know? Like, this mod still has to grow. Original logo, I don't... Well, Raft Mechanic. Mystery guy, Witz made the logo for Raft Mechanic. We see it somewhere here, you know? It's just a fusion of the Raft logo and the, and Scrap Mechanic logo. I think something else could work well for... You know, how about, instead of adding, a barring, adding, like, the wheel from, like, Factory, and then using the Satisfactory font, and using the -7, I don't know what the -7 logo is. Oops. It could just be a, fusion of all 3 logos. And every, designer is gonna cringe so hard seeing it. What did I want to do? I wanted to work on the dropper, make it actually consume energy. Click drop. Okay, first we need to mess with the data structure. Okay, first I can close some things. This is already really pog. Okay, we need the dropper, and we're gonna need the click dropper. And I also need the utility, because I forgot what the name of my function is. Maybe a milk dropper? Yes, we can add that. So it's called consume power. When do I consume the power? Currently... Yeah, it's a good question. I think if it's an automated dropper, it should consume the power. You know, I'm gonna work on that later. For now, we only have a click dropper, so that's actually pretty easy. I need to open the object. Objects database, chipsets, droppers. Implementing efficiency? You mean you want stuff to be able to, like, be overclocked? I mean, already think about it. Just by having a basic power system, there's so many different ways you can build factories to be more efficient, you know? Like, you could just loop items through one upgrader multiple times to save energy. You can use sensors to deactivate upgraders to efficiency. Like in Factorio, you can add modules to change stuff, you know? Okay, this is a big dropper, so all I'm gonna add is a new property. I'm gonna call power. And this is gonna be 1. And okay, let's activate the JSON formatting so I make a mistake. But this is fine. Alright, then I just need to do and state, and we need to do the utility. This can do the utility file actually. Do file content data on and data slash scripts slash utility.doer. Then I can just call the function, which is called consume power. Consume power self.data.power. Okay, so now using the dropper should consume power. It's only gonna drop stuff if I have the power available. Add more logic. Okay, what did you say about efficiency? Factorio-like efficiency. You know, what do you mean by Factorio efficiency? I think I saw some red in the console. Efficiency based on energy. My god, there's a lot of garbage collection actually handling. It's kind of a mess. Like, this is gonna take Scribe Mechanic to its limits. For sure. But, okay, I don't think there was any red. There's so much garbage collection going on. Yeah, you could loop through the same upgrader. Oh, no, 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 no. What I've did is I've implemented a limit, you know? On a network. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking. Oh, you mean stuff are gonna... No, 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 no. This is not... Stuff is not gonna run at, like, less speed or something. No, 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 no. This is not how it works. Energy logic. Okay, guys, you're gonna see. Let's fill up this battery with energy. And I can show you. This is gonna be enough. We now have 90 energy stored. If I now use the dropper, every time I drop an item, it's gonna consume 1 energy. You see? We're now consuming energy. You see? I'm probably also gonna make it so that every time this furnace sells something, it's gonna consume 1 energy as well. And yeah, these drops are gonna disappear once they stop moving. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Let's open the furnace script. This should actually be really easy to do add as well. Then we have some basic power going on. And then I can see if I can do the same for the upgrader and the bells and stuff like that. And then the mod is really shaping up. Be something. Furnaces. Glowbug reactor. I don't... Dude, if you have ideas for new stuff, like for specific upgraders, you probably want to wait until I get to, you know, adding these. Instead of just doing all of this. Because currently, as I said, I am still working on the basics to make stuff work. The bars are impossible to do. Okay. Maybe you can ask in the guild or so. I'm not sure if we have support for it yet. But you might be right. Empower 1. Let's open the furnace script. Glowbug dropper. We can add stuff like this at some point. Don't you worry. The time will come. Okay, I also need an on-stay method now. It's gonna say sell stuff once the money becomes available. Okay, it can be the same method, I think. Find on stay. On stay. First I'm gonna test, basically. Oh no, it's okay. Here's the code I can just drop copy before it tries to actually consume stuff. If not, now tries to consume the power. Then return end. This feels really messy, but it works, so I can't complain. Scraptorio. Okay, guys, we have 3 names for so far: Scrap Factory, Scraptorio, Scrap is Factory. You know, these are 3 names I've seen a lot in the comments, in the chat. So maybe I'm just gonna do a poll and ask you guys. If anyone else has a 4th idea, I can also add this. Let's make a whole new world. I want to see how it now plays. You know, we have like actual gameplay now. I just want to make sure you have enough money to, you know, properly utilize the clicker. Satisfaction set mechanic poll. Okay, my music ended. Yeah, I'm gonna end this stream within an hour, I guess. Something, because I need to pack my things for tomorrow. Gotta leave early for the train. You asked, bars aren't possible? Oh my god, this is so dumb. Scrappy factory, scrap factory, set a scraptory. Scraptis factory. Alright, let's see if you can actually make money with the starter items without running out of power. Yeah, this works actually pretty well. We do not run out of power. This is gonna be so great. Yeah, you don't really have different numbers, different ideas. Which, like, name is best? Okay, we have Scrap Factory, Scrap is Factory, and Scraptorio. Perfect. Add a goal item to the game. What? Scrap Tycoon. Oh, I cannot add an option anymore. But this is great. You know, you see, another thing this does is it prevents auto-clickers, you know? Multiple bases, you can have multiple bases, you know? You will be able to buy parts, you know, from the shop. What is Carlson vibe? You don't know what Carlson is? It's just a little game Danny has been working on. And I don't mean our moderator, I mean Danny Death. But yeah, I like this a lot. I'm so proud of the energy system.
Just Scrap Factory, please. I'm bribing you for it.
I mean, 50% of people, it's pretty obvious that people want Scrap Factory. And we already have a logo for it. a logo that's pretty okay. You know, it's gonna work for now. I like how the mod is like shaping out to be. Okay, now I want to add energy consumption to conveyor belts and to upgraders. So I think what I'm doing next is adding logic to... Don't know what Danny is. I'm gonna add logic to the normal conveyor belts as well. Like, just imagine, you know, once I'm almost done with this, energy system. It's great. I really thought this was gonna be more complicated. I also didn't think I didn't thank you for the donation. I forget so often. There's so much stuff going on. I have the... Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. My microphone just fell off. Ah, this is the second time this is happening today. I'm just gonna turn on my light. Because it's getting dark. You guys are really... Oh my god. What did I do? Oh my god, I didn't know I could even adjust these settings. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this is a screw to adjust the angle of my mic. Apparently... It's not... Okay, now this is firm enough. Okay. Kinda. Alright. I got a little distracted. Oh my god. Can't even pronounce distracted. I've got the energy system working. Yeah, you missed it. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, so this is now, you can see in the top right corner, this is the energy. Whenever I drop an item, it consumes energy, and whenever I sell something too. So, yeah, I made this work. Now, okay, now I have a very good question. For the... Okay, I think... Okay, I can just play the music. So, I think for the conveyor belt, what I'm gonna do is, whenever the conveyor belt is active, it consumes power. And you want to buy chunks of the earth. I don't know how I can restrict the building area, you know? There's gonna be a goal to the game, other than making as much money as possible. You know, about the upgrader. So I think there's two ways we can handle the energy consumption. Either it's gonna consume energy every time it upgrades the part, or it's gonna consume energy per, like, second. You know? Because, like, if it consumes energy on each upgrade, it's easier to code, you know? It's an advantage, but I think if it's active, it's gonna be more interesting. Because it's kind of like the conveyor belts too. You know, then you could hook up sensors. Like, just think about it. You can build a... I have an idea. Okay, let me show you. I want to show you. I have a great idea why this is a good thing. You know? I want to show you, you know, I think it adds so many more interesting building possibilities. I first need to show you, so give me a second so I can show you my concept. Okay, there we go. Oh, dang it, now this is... Yeah, this is not a great building area. Oh my god, okay, I need some ground blocks. Okay, I built in the only not even space. How dare I? Okay. This is so hard to do, right? Oh my god. I'm gonna add an arrow to the model so, you know, you'll be able to see where it's gonna do stuff. Okay, then we're gonna need the upgrader right here, and then of course our furnace to sell stuff. We're gonna need some blocks, and yeah, I don't know, you'll see. I think this is one of the things why this is so epic to do in, like, scrap mechanic. Because, you know, we're gonna have so many more possibilities. Yeah. Ah, you'll just have to wait, you know? This is how I keep people watching. I just tell them I'm gonna do some stuff. Okay, I need to add some blocks down below. Hope this will work. Can I connect these? Yes, I can. Perfect. I think you can maybe guess what I'm going for. Let's increase the range and the speed. Right, now, for example, we could consume a lot of energy. I mean, okay, well, I'm not sure if I want the same for the furnace, you know? What I was just thinking of is you could have stuff like this, you know? Where you could stack up some ores to, like, basically time it. And then you just have a button to upgrade them all at once, like this. What do you mean Xander has a good idea? In Scrap Mechanic, we can actually move object with robotic arms that W build? What do you mean? Yeah, we can move stuff with arms or stuff. I don't know, I just think it's kind of cool if it consumes energy per second, that you can have stuff like this, you know, to save energy if you really want to. And the other option is to just make it per upgrade. I mean, it could also just depend on the upgrader itself. I don't know, I'm just gonna ask you. I know, it makes building a factory more interesting. I could also make it so it depends on the upgrader. But I mean, consistency is kinda nice. Having passive and active consumption, that is, that's even more confusing, you know, to explain to people. I mean, depends on upgrader just means, What is the purple? The purple is gonna be for pollution. But I have not implemented that system yet. You mean do both? Oh my god. Yeah, per second is an engineering challenge. Because, you know, you can just build smart factories if you... You know, this is, I think, what Scrap Mechanic is for, you know? You can actually do stuff like this. To save energy, you know, if you really need to. Like, now I can, you know, use more energy to drop ores, and then I can use this to upgrade them all at once. And you can do logic to automate this, and you can build a much more efficient factory. Or you can just don't care about it at all, and just spam everything with energy upgraders, which of course is gonna take longer to... I've not been streaming for 6 hours today, only 4. Okay, guys, I need to put a poll. This was dumb. I just wanted to... I need to know per upgrade or per second. I don't care about the both option. It's not what I want to know right now. You cannot shoot the button with a spud gun. That actually doesn't work. I can make it so it would work with a spud gun, but... Oh my god, this is another super close decision. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys are really conflicted. They are gonna be automatic droppers. Oh my god, this is such a... What do you mean with both? Both is dumb. It's really annoying to explain. I mean, this is a... What do you mean you can have non-fuel engines? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't... You guys are so conflicted on this. So like, you see, there's a difference with, like, this one is for example, this is per drop, you know? Because this is a clicker, you know? If I have an automatic dropper, this is not per drop. It's gonna have a like per second value too, or something. I mean, you know, if you have an automatic dropper with a fixed drop rate, essentially it is per second. You know, if it only drops a drop every 10 seconds, it's just, you know, how much power this drop costs divided by the time it, you know, takes to drop. So every dropper is later gonna be per second anyway. You know, this is now just per drop because this is a manual one, you know? The conveyor belts are gonna be per second. You know, if a conveyor belt is activated, it's just gonna consume 1 energy every second to transport items, whether there's stuff on it or not, you know? Then the furnace, I don't know, I could also make it per second, but I don't know, I think it's dumb to activate and deactivate furnaces. I'm just thinking, you know, if it sells stuff, I don't know. I guess I could also make it per second for consistency. But it's exactly 50-50. It is so hard. Oh my god. Now per upgrade is in the lead. Not per second on furnace, yeah, I don't... What do you mean with the both? Like if I do both, it's even more confusing, I think. It should have that. It should be at least somewhat consistent, you know? You think the furnace just shouldn't cost power? I don't know, I gotta think about it. No, the furnace should... You know, if the... I don't know. Like, one interesting thing per second is, you know, for the furnace, for example, if it consumes power per second, it's easier to just use one furnace and get all the ores to one furnace instead of spamming furnaces everywhere, you know? With upgrader, do it by block. Oh my god, there's so much stuff to consider, you know? What do you mean with per upgrade you need to make a splitter of sorts? If it's per second, there's this... Oh my god. I need to make the hard decisions. I mean, now in the end, this is just a game design question. Like, as I said, I think if it's per second, it just opens up the game to more interesting building possibilities, which I think is really just the point of doing this in scrap mechanic, since, you know, I can actually just build parts like this. You know, if it's just the -7 clone, of course it doesn't matter at all, you know? It's just gonna be something per upgrader, so, you know, you kind of change stuff. But, you know, if it's per second, I could just build an intricate conveyor loop to just loop through the same upgrader multiple times or something, you know? That is a lot more interesting. Make settings to choose? No. So, I think per second is better. But I don't know, but I'm not sure about the furnace, to be honest. Because, like, one thing you can do is you can simply just add more drops to your factory, which is not gonna consume more energy at first, you know? But, I mean, I kind of want to prevent people from spamming too many rocks, for example. You know, per second for upgrader, you can build some fancy clocks. For example, imagine you have a, like, array of all of the droppers. They drop stuff in here, and then you have a gate, and if there's enough ores that gather in one place, you can just automatically lift the barrier, and then you have like a batch of items that go through it at once, you know? You know, there's gonna be multiple furnaces, you know? Per second. Yeah, I'm gonna do per second. I like how, the more I keep talking about making it per second, the more people vote for per upgrade, you know? But it's just better game design, guys. An ore limit. No. I'm not gonna do it per block, guys. No, I'm gonna do it per second for the upgrader. Yeah, this is gonna have consistency. And I'm just not sure about the furnace yet. I convinced you. Now, what the thing about... I'm just not sure about the furnaces, because I would like to encourage people to just use one furnace instead of multiple, because, you know, it's more of an engineering challenge to just work with one furnace. Because, what I just do not want people to do is to just spam droppers next to furnaces like this, and just spam a lot of these parts, you know? I think this is not really what building a factory is like, you know? So the more I can prevent people from spamming too many of these parts, the better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it you cannot exploit the system, don't worry. I have an idea. Yeah, now I'm also thinking about furnace should be per second. No, I cannot. I don't want to limit the furnace. No, I think using energy per second is probably better for the furnace. Because, you know, this will also add to the consistency. Then we have, you know, we have bells that take energy per second, we have upgraders that take energy per second, we will have the furnaces that take energy per second, and the difference with the dropper is just that it essentially takes energy per second too. Now, this one is a manual dropper, so it only will, you know, the speed of the dropper here depends on my click rate, you know? But if it's an automatic dropper, it's basically per second too. And if I have more ores, I'm also gonna need more energy. So this makes it, like, it, you know, it discourages you from spamming too many ores. And then you have another thing where you want to balance the amount of ores, you know, with the amount of upgraders and stuff. I don't know. You mean this game design is flawed at its core? Oh my god. I should not call them sellers. I mean, I should... I don't like the game. I don't like the name seller. The dropper is per second, but this is a manual one, guys. This is why it's not... Oh my god. No, I'm gonna do stuff. Do it. Oh my god. No, per second. This is gonna be the most consistent, and it's also gonna be consistent with like look, the energy generators, for example, they also work per second. You know, per second is most consistent. The only difference is really just gonna be like a manual dropper like this. Or what I'm also thinking of is to have an energy generator that consumes ores. Like basically, it's gonna be a furnace like this. And for example, if coal ore, if you drop coal ore on it, it's gonna burn it and create energy. And then it's gonna be dependent on, you know, the amount of ores that get in there or stuff. You know? You mean limiting how many blocks can be placed instead of blocking functionality if nothing is present? What do you mean? What do you mean with how many blocks can be placed? You mean how many blocks I can drop? Or is it how many parts you can build your factory with? Because I can't limit this, you know? Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have a coal generator and stuff like that, you know? I'm just still working on stuff. What do you mean the stream is so quiet? It's probably just your end, you know? My audio volumes look alright. You know, I cannot limit how many parts you can build, you know? There's not a scrap mechanic function for it. No. Oh my god. Upgrader per upgrade, but everything else per second. You're making it worse. This is consistency is key, guys. Oh my god, somebody somebody commented that exactly the moment I said it. Now we're gonna do per second, and then I can just easily copy paste the same code onto everything. Oh, you're saying it's quiet. Yeah. Well, it can, I don't know, it's just make your audio higher, you know, it's not my problem. Guys, I've settled on per second, you know? Oh, this is so cool, you know? Oh yeah, the conveyor belt connected these parts. Guys, if you don't care about the per second, you can just spam generators, you know? I'm not forbidding you from making stuff ineffective or inefficient, you know? You just have to invest more in energy production, you know? That is good game design, it just guides you in the right direction, it just doesn't force you to do it one way, you know? Because like scrap mechanic gives you a million ways to build stuff, so I think there should also be a million ways to like optimize your factory. Your microphone is pretty quiet compared to the... let me see, I can change some stuff actually. Properties. Give me 1 second. I can make my voice louder. Filters. I just need to... Yep, I can increase the wet. There we go. Now I should be a little bit louder. Is this better? Okay, let's go a bit louder too. Yeah, this is louder. I'm peaking at around -6 decibels, which is alright. Is this better if the audio is this loud? You know? You like this more? I think this is probably better, since then I can make the music louder. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna make a poll. If the audio is better or worse now. Because, you know, in the end, I'm streaming for you guys, so... You're going deaf. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Let's see what you think. Well, most people say it's better, it seems. I guess I'm gonna keep it that way then. Too loud, you say? This poll... Oh my god, now it changes. Now it changes rapidly. Now people say it's too loud. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it's too loud, you can just lower your, like, playback volume. You can't see how many people dislike the stream, you know? A bit too loud, you say. I can make it so nobody is gonna be happy. This is kind of what it was like before, I think. Now it's, I don't know, it's some kind of middle ground now. So yeah, if it's too loud, just lower your system volume or something. Yeah, I don't know. I can listen to it later and stream. Okay, it's 10 PM now. Okay, all I just need to do is make the per second system work. That's alright. That's all I need to do. Then we're done. Let's start with conveyor belts, because that's easier. And I don't know. Oh, the furnace needs the 2. No, guys, I'm not gonna do the upgrader per upgrade. No. I could make a special upgrader, maybe, that is like an exception. you know, but not now. So, belt. You can't toggle the belt yet. Okay, let's work with the upgrader then. We can at least get something working. I'm on Windows 10, not HP. Where's the toggle? Blind toggle effect. If self.active, then and am I doing the utility? Is the belt doing the utility? I know it's kind of controversial with the power thing, you know, but I don't want to make my own OS from scratch. Content data, scripts, utility.lua. Oh my god, this is gonna be pain to program. Okay, let's just make it suck power and then worry about, you know, actually doing logic, like turning it off if you do not have power. So what did I change? If self.active, then we need to Yeah, and you need to think smart. You guys, you know, the players always want to maximize the fun out of a game. You know, all players want is just a big button, you click and you get infinite money. Okay, what did I call the method again? Consume power. Oh, the game's not almost done. Self.data.power self. Power update SM. Okay, it's not gonna be 40. Self.power update is gonna be -1. And we need to add the power to it. And I also realized something about the dropper class, you know. I made it wrong in the click dropper. I can just handle this locally in the in this class. I don't need to do a different yeah. Am I gonna add splitters? I don't know. Okay, if it actually can consume the power, then it's gonna drop stuff. So if I make an automated dropper, I've also implemented the power consumption. Perfect. Oh, this is gonna consume the power the moment you turn it on. Which I think is important. So this is not synced up with the other updates. And okay, self.power update equals self.power update -1. When I created self.power update should be -1. If self.power update equals 0, then and self.power. Yes, there's a generator in the start inventory, don't worry. Update is gonna equal 40 again, and we're gonna consume the power. Consume power, self.data.power. Now I need to add the power actually to the item. Object, database, shapesets, upgraders. Where's the data? Oh my god, there's so much data. And a new property, calling power. This is just the basic upgrader, so I think 1 power per second is alright. Oh, I can also... Yeah, and I think I'm gonna add more power consumption to, like, the other upgrader. That is, like, percentage based. Coming back in 30 minutes. I don't know, I might already end the stream by then. Because I, you know, gotta pack my things, because I'm gonna go away tomorrow for, like, 3 weeks. 3 days, sorry. Okay, let's check the JSON formatting. Okay, this is not throwing errors, so I think stuff might just work now. Carlson vibe dropper. I'm going to, like, another city in Germany. Not far away, it's gonna be by train. You guys like trains, so... Oh my god, I saw an error in the console. Now that's bugging me. Oh. Ah, I know. I know the error. I misscalped. I need to spell scripts correctly. Script utility to lure. Make a train go. Yeah, the the €9 ticket is amazing. It really is. But no, I actually had to pay for the journey. You know, it's a longer trip. But I don't need to pay for any other costs, you know? Oh my god, like... Trains are so, bad in other countries. It's unbelievable. Like... kind of a luxury here, I would say. Alright, now... there's an error. Perfect. Upgrader, line 24 has an error. Yeah, there's an equal sign I was missing. And you know, before I run this part, I should at least, put a power generator down there. Before we're gonna run out of power. Because I did not do a check for this yet. They need to rejoin? Why is it not consuming power? Is it like active by default? Oh, I think I know. Yeah, this is not gonna consume power now. Let's see. Oh my god, how do I do this? Did you say 0? I don't know, I just need this to work. No, it is not consuming power. Oh, that is dumb. Oh, look at this. This is consuming power now. You see, we can still keep up with the power production very well, so you're not gonna notice much. But you see, if I place down like 6 of these guys, you see, our power kinda goes down. Done 2069. Haha. Okay, I maybe need to place them all on a surface. Then I can run wires. And see if deactivating them is gonna make them not consume power. Currently we are sucking some power. Let's now deactivate them. And, you know, we do not consume power anymore. Perfect. Deactivate them and... now they're also all in sync. Haha. Oh, very good work today. I'm surprised I got this far. Sensors that only detect certain blocks drops. I don't know. Well, we need a percentage value for the power, but you also want to know what your maximum energy capacity is, you know? So, I mean, for now I'm just putting the UI this way. It's just mostly for testing to get this working. Yeah, now what is gonna happen if I run out of power? The upgraders still work. Dang it. Yeah, if you have a giant factory and you sync it to all, you know, so all the upgraders activate at once, your power is gonna drain really quickly. No, actually, you know, this one consumes 1 power every second, so it doesn't really matter. Like, I can show you. Let's just place down enough of these parts. 8, 9, 10. Now these are gonna consume 10 power per second. And you see, this is gonna keep up with the power production. You know, it's not gonna be an issue. Because everything is done per second, it really doesn't matter. No. If it's per upgrade, you can much easier fry your power supply, for example. You know, if there's a bunch of ores just getting upgraded at once, it can much easier kill your entire power. Which I think it's also much worse, I don't know. Yeah, now I need to deactivate the part if it runs out of power. Self.active is gonna equal false. I need to set the... Oh god, this is gonna be super jank. Previous active is gonna... Okay, I think I can do it this way. If it now tries to reactivate the thing... If self.active, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to do to consume the power. If I cannot consume the power, then I will just set self.active to false again. Bam, and this should work. And then I just only need to toggle the effects if I'm... I don't know, is this gonna work? We'll see. Add a new thing. I will add new things at some point. Okay, why is the power not moving? Okay, you see, some stuff happened. Like, if these get really dark, it means the effect is getting spammed, which is bad. And yeah, I kind of feared something like this might happen. So only set the effect now. I think I have a much better idea. Oh, this is dumb. Okay. If active and not self.effect is playing, then do this. Maybe this is gonna fix it. Yeah, let's... Oh my god. Okay, now we have flicker. You see, the upgrader is not working, but the effect is flickering. Dang it. You need the batteries if stuff is inconsistent. I mean, some generators will not produce power. No, the batteries make sense. Trust me on this. You know, you can turn on and off parts, you know? If you want to make stuff more efficient. Toggle effects. Oh my god, I think I need to do it this way. Or this way. I mean, why am I doing it this way if I can just make it this way? Then I only need to have the line once. Maybe that is gonna solve it. I don't know, this code feels kinda jank. But yeah, well, thanks for dropping by, Danny. I just want to make this work, and then I can be happy. Yeah, I mean, it's getting kind of late, so... I know she needed to go, that's why she left. Like, why would you leave, you know? Because you need to go. Okay, I think it's working. Let's activate the power back, and the thing is gonna get online again. Okay, I think this is just working now. You know, it costs like 1 energy, like costs energy to activate the the thing for 1 second, basically. That's how the system is done. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, where's my Stonks factory? Like, this is interesting now, since not all of the parts will turn on. Actually seems kind of fixed. Apparently this synchronizes somehow. Like, for some reason, only these few parts are gonna be off. Like, offline. Oh, I also need to make, send a message if you're out of energy, you know? I need to notify the player and tell them out of energy. But yeah, it's not that random parts flicker. Interesting. Yeah, now we have more than enough energy. But now what's gonna happen is if I keep dropping all of the ores too fast... Okay, let's artificially limit our energy. Okay, now some of them start flickering. And now, like, I can't drop the ores fast enough because we do not have enough energy. That is interesting. Why is glass on top of the conveyor? This is still a placeholder for the, you know, upgrade area. Okay, Furnace has an error. Data doesn't exist. Okay, I think I just need to do it this way then. If not data, then return end. And if not data.value. Wait, can't I just make this more efficient? If not data or not data.value. So yeah, my console's just getting spammed with arrows. Olsen vibe, yes I know. Well, we can probably do this to end the stream. Oh my god. Apparently stuff is happening. Yeah, you know, the furnace does not have enough energy, so now there's ore sitting on top. I think it set the public data. He now upgraded at Lewis having issues. Oh my god, what is happening? $978. Why is this having arrows? Nobody's discussing banana prices with you? It's interesting. I will publish this version of the mod after the stream, you know, for the members. Now what this should do is, you know, if it doesn't sell the parts instantly, they should just stack up on top of the thing. Okay, this is actually now balancing, so there's not... Oh, you see there's parts... Oh, you see, I think I know the issue. What is wrong with the furnace? I think the bind on stay function is not correct. Because it should still sell the ore now. Dang it. Why is the ore pink? Someone donated like $2 or so and asked me to make it pink. Gucci banana dropper? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I have to take a look at the belt. Why is this not working? Where does it actually consume the power? Well, I can use the same function, I think, for both. You know, it shouldn't matter. It's just like it's just a name. There seems to be some kind of issue with it. For some reason. It's like the data doesn't exist. All of a sudden. The data is nil. That is so weird. I mean, I do not set the public data, do I? Because if it cannot consume the power, it's gonna return. I mean, else it would destroy the part. Is the upgrader perhaps not setting the data correctly? No, this is gonna work. Why is it nil? I don't understand it. You think it's line 3? No, it's not line 3. It's interactable. Like, I'm getting the interactable from the shape. And getting its public data. But it doesn't exist for some weird reason. Wait, let's do a test. Oh my god. Okay, I need a spot gun. Why does the ore not despawn? Oh, I'm lucky. My god, the ore's so lightweight. I want to push the ore back on the conveyor belt. You see, I was just able to sell it. Why can I sell... What? Okay, so for some reason, when it's the on stay thing, I cannot get the data. Why? I know, but no, it works. Is there like some documentation for this? Why is this different? Area trigger. Bind on stay. Like, it should be the same callback. I mean, if it's now bind on enter or bind on stay, it's literally the same code, more or less. I don't want to teleport the item, that's horribly inefficient. On it. Like, this should just work this way. It's kind of how I handle it in the belt, for example, you know? I do not understand why this is not working. Like, it gets an interactable of the shape. Well, this does not matter if it's called server on enter or not. This is just the name for the function it's calling. You know, it's still executing the code, you know? It really doesn't matter. You see, these functions are exactly the same. Maybe I need you to use get content, but it's dumb. On enter, on projectile, and stay. Results, a table of characters. Bind on stay, a table of characters' bodies, you know. Chat cooldown is... oh my... the chat cooldown is not that long. Wait, do I have this thing sitting somewhere else? Why is it now printing stuff into the console? I think this... okay, bind on stay is interesting. Maybe I need pairs. Do we need to generate the situation again? Yeah, it's getting late. I just want to finish this. Like, that's the last thing I want to do. Maybe the area trigger is not big enough? Because on stay does not work. I am not receiving any things. For some reason. It keeps printing the same stuff over and over again. Oh, hi Lord Dead Tool. Oh my god, you're just dropping in so close till the end. Currently I have the issue that, I made the power system work, but yeah, now there's a situation where ores end up on top of the furnace, and now they do not, get sold in retrospect, which is kind of weird. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. I think this on enter, this is so dumb. Okay, I think there's another thing I can do, which is literally... well, it's nice if you enjoyed the birthday. Yeah, I have one more idea. I like how I'm never... like every morning stream, oh, I'm just gonna stream like 10 PM. Oh no, it's almost 11 PM. I just wanna finish this one thing. Anyway, once we have this fish fixed... yeah, I can do the rest off camera. Just make it work. The way I explained it. But now what I want to do is I just get the contents of the area trigger and it's gonna be the same. You know... It's pretty much just the same, you know? Okay, reformatted the code. We're just gonna run server and fixed update to do the work for us. Server and fixed update. Bind on stay and the enter function. Yeah, the on enter function is not the problem, you know. Oh wait, I should not have deleted everything yet. Okay, get content. Locally, okay, this is actually all we need, I guess. And this is now gonna just be this thing, and it should just work. I think. I just need to change the name to self.trigger, right? You just could push the problem to the player for more complexity. That's not how it works. This is just weird code, you know. Did this magically get sold? Do I need to rejoin? I'm gonna hit 1 million in no time, you mean on the... in the game? Food and water vending machines? Oh no. No, no, that tool, please. No! Oh my god, this is not working. This is not working. This is working at least. The result exists. Let's print the type of the result.
And for the record, it's gooey, 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 gooey.
Oh my god. Good thing he wasn't watching before when I said GUI. Oh, thanks for dropping in the stream again. This is gonna be the last one for a couple of days, because I'll be gone. Oh my god. Okay, all of this is working. Why is it not working now? Is it not because it cannot get the interactable? Can I print the data? Oh, I think I know why. Data is nil. Okay, maybe it had to do with the hitbox. Let's just Control Z everything. Okay, just like this. This is the code that didn't work. Now we are just going to okay, I need the furnaces.shapeset. I know where the I think the interactable is the part itself, you know? Because it's dumb, you know? Do not turn the chat into a graphical user interface pronunciation war. I thought I was spared this, problem. Okay. Let's just finally fix this. I want to end the stream once this is done. Please. Okay, why is the... Okay, now I'm gonna make the box absurdly big. Like, yeah. This is gonna be so big, it should always be in there. Oh my god. Why? Why? This is so dumb. What is happening? Oh no, you are right. Lichtmarv, you would... Oh. He's completely right. Where did I use the continue statement? Does anyone remember? Oh my god, I am so used to just returning stuff. Oh my god. Oh my, this is why Lua really needs a continue statement. Oh my god. It's so dumb that it's not built in. The only reason I'm even doing it this way is because...
What is this egg I'm hearing about? Also, front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick.
You're gonna make me rage quit.
Front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick,
watch this.
Front-facing baby chick,
It's working.
Front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick.
Oh my god.
Front-facing baby chick, 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 front-facing baby chick.
Is this ever gonna stop?
Front-facing baby chick, front-facing baby chick.
Yeah, oh my god. I've spent like 30 minutes trying to solve this problem and now you're spamming this front-facing baby chick. Ah, you really wanna... Yeah, but Lua does not have a built-in continuous statement. Usually continue just means, like a for loop just goes over each part in this list. But because I do return, I just quit. You know, I do not go through the tools, things that come after that. The problem is, usually I just use if statements, but this leads to a lot of nesting. I don't know, where's really ugly nesting? I don't know, but you have stuff like this, for, if, and it just keeps going like this. And at some point, you're just writing code here, it gets really confusing. So people say you need to do this if not, then return stuff, because then it's one line, it's easier to read and stuff. But because Lua doesn't have a continuous statement, it's actually garbage. It's exactly the opposite of what I want. So now, I need to make sure I did not do this somewhere where it's not supposed to happen. What else did I modify? Can GitHub help me? Oh my god, there's so many changes today. Shape sets, DB files. I need code. That's not the problem. Dropper.lua. It's not the problem. This is a furnace I just worked with. This is looking alright too. I'm just having a quick glance. And did we just work on the upgrader? Yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, the other stuff is fine. Alright then, yeah, I'm gonna push that in a second. So, for everyone who just dropped in, or had to endure the last, seconds, I don't know, last 30 minutes of me trying to show stuff, make stuff work. I'm just gonna show you what we have so far for the stream. And we're gonna play the calls and vibe. You know the drill. I just want to show you. Oh my god, I'm writing a weird pseudocode now, that tool. Is this what this has become? Alright, so I've made a power system work, actually. So I still need to optimize the power system. You know, it's not perfect yet, but you know, if I now place down the windmill, it creates 10 power capacity, and it's gonna produce 10 power per second. Now we have a dropper over here. Whenever I drop an ore, it's gonna consume 1 power, for example. You know, this is getting in the way of my other stuff. And now the furnace also consumes 1 power at the moment when I sell stuff. I'm gonna change it. The stream keeps being behind. I'm not dropping frames. It's a personal problem. Anyway. Oh my god, I forgot to change the hitbox back. Oh my god. Okay, this is the nice part about GitHub. I closed the final file already. Before it used to be 0.25. Can I open the file? I really thought the hitbox might have been the issue. No, okay, let's fix the hitbox. These are just easy problems that can happen while debugging. Do not spam drills, please. We do not talk about the drill. And, oh no, well, this chat, oh, that's the alternate method for continue statement. Oh, you have goto. Yeah, I have the goto stuff too. But yeah, now the dimensions are proper again. This is not that spectacular, to be honest. Let me just go on unlimited, and I can show more stuff. There we go. I'm gonna need some building area. Maybe I'm gonna add a huge shape. Just like satisfactory building tile style. You know, just, yeah. Just as I said. We do not ask about the drill, guys. Okay, I have the conveyor belts. They are also gonna consume power. I did not make it work yet. Oh god. Let's just get some basic upgrade thing going over here. Yeah, it's kind of bad that there's not an error model. Anyway, so the upgraders are gonna consume power per second. So as you can see right now, OS power is slowly draining. And another thing I've also added is you can toggle these with logic. We're gonna make the same for the conveyor belts and stuff. I just didn't have the time to right now. And this is so you can actually turn off the upgraders and stuff, which you can use to build your factories more energy efficient, if you really want to. Yeah, now they're all synced, so they're all always gonna suck power at the same time. The conveyor belts are gonna consume some power too. Now, another thing I've added, for more storage, we now have a battery, like here, which is gonna add 100 to our energy capacity. You can see that now slowly our energy capacity keeps going up. Now let's place down some more windmills. We can get up to like 120 faster. Okay, now we end up creating more energy. And now if I remove the windmills, it's gonna consume our storage. And once we're gonna run out of energy, yeah, the upgraders are gonna stop working. Yeah, I just want to show that. That took forever to... it didn't take forever. Alright. Yeah. They get disabled. Okay, apparently we still have 1 power left for some reason. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this must be a bug. Also... why is the button... Look at this, guys! If I press... oh my god.
Egg. Why am I spamming egg?
Do not spam.
Egg.
I just want to scream. Oh my god, I think I need to turn the spam protection back on. But yeah, the button is broken now. Why is it broken again? Now it works like a switch. Oh my goodness. Oh, broke. I swear it was Tofix. I swear it was Tofix.
Omega lol. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture.
I really need a break from all this streaming.
Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture. Celebratory gesture.
Who did this? Oh my god. You know, this is just Tofix refactoring my code. Like, nothing is gonna break. Like, if one thing annoys me, is if people work on some code and they do not even test it. Oh my god. Why is it still broken? Ah. Okay, that wasn't the issue. Did it work before? Did it just break? Oh my goodness, I'm running out of music again. Tofix, did you just update it? Can you fix it right now? I'm getting so pissed by stuff. And celebratory gestures. It's disgusting. You broken your mod yet? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so smart, that tool. Okay, where's the problem now? Oh my god. Tofix, can you fix this?
The big brain play would put a button on your stream deck that mutes a dono for only you and makes us listen, the ultimate reverse Uno. Backhand, 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 backhand.
Guys, you know, just revert the changes that you... I'm gonna... The whole... Like, I just copy-pasted the button code that I once made, because I remembered this was a pain to do. Why are the conveyor belts broken now? Oh, because I turned them off with the button. Oh my god. Oh my... But did I change stuff in the code? I don't think I did. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. This is the power update. Commit this to main. Then I'm gonna take a look at the history on the GitHub repository. And I'm just gonna copy paste the old code. And then it's just gonna work again. And then can finally be done for the day. Maybe. I'm not gonna get distracted by another... Look, that guy said it. Some minor refactoring that broke it so badly. Like... Of course you guys are gonna keep spamming stuff. Where's my speedrun music?
Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey.
Where's the speedrun music?
Speak no
Where's the
evil
speedrun
monkey.
music?
Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no
I'm
evil
gonna...
monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey. Speak no evil monkey.
The best part is, the faster I am gonna be done with fixing the mod, the sooner I can end the stream. So I'm now speedrunning, so I do not have to endure your stupid emoji spam donations. Okay, please, let this just work. Please. Old code for the win. Git add-on. There's a git I don't know. Oh, there's an add-on. Look, it just works. It just works, guys. It's that simple. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, okay, now it's not gonna move stuff because the button is too big. Perfect. I mean, it was too much weight. I know it's a new one. You can't wait. Oh my. Okay, wait. Well, I gotta wait for the. Okay, guys. We're done with the speed running. It's 11 p.m.
Can't wait for the mod.
I will install it. I'm just done. You know, remind me about the Git add-on next time I stream coding. Yeah. I like the state of the mod. I'm gonna update it now. I'm gonna pack my things and we'll see each other. Yeah. Sometime next week, like during the weekend, probably. Maybe even Friday. I don't know. Probably not Friday. No. Saturday, Sunday, something like that. That's the plan. There's gonna be a mod tutorial sometime during the week where I show you how to use the new mod tool and stuff. And I guess that's the plan, pretty much. And if you wanna play the mod in its current state, become a Megapixel channel member. Yes, that too. You bring donations, but also chaos. You know, power comes at a great cost. Alright, oh my god. I'm so... You know, this is the feeling. You know, once you coded stuff and you're done, it's so satisfying. Because the pain ends. Oh, guys, I'm not just ending right now. It is tradition that I play the Carlson vibe first. Before I end the stream. Else it's not a good ending. Carlson vibe. You know, by now I just need to go on the front page of YouTube and it's immediately suggesting the Carlson vibe. I don't even need to search for it anymore. Oh my god, it's probably a little bit too loud. You wanna hear the Carlton vibe? You get the Carlton vibe. Oh my god. I will release the update, you know, right after the stream. I'm gonna push it for you guys. And you can just enjoy the vibe. I don't know. I just wanna be done with this for the day. The text-to-speech AI gave me the rest, I think. I don't know. Is that even a saying? Yeah, I don't know. We need like a Carlton vibe item in the game. Stop asking about the minor refactoring. I'm gonna die if... Do not touch my mod. It is perfect. It is perfect. Oh my god, okay. Okay, see you guys next week. Okay, I gotta find the right button to end the stream. 1 second. You know, thanks for being there. It's great to have you here. I'll stream sometime next week. Bye.